This is a professional seaborne pair plot showing complex relationships between sales, profits, and shipping costs in one elegant grid. What if you could create this chart in Excel with simple instructions? That's the power of Python integration in Excel. Excel features are powerful, but we often hit a wall. Cleaning messy data or creating custom charts requires complex workarounds. Python in Excel smashes through this wall. Think of it as having a professional data scientist in your spreadsheet. Type in any empty cell to activate Python mode. Input 2 + 2, press Ctrl-Enter, and see the magic. Use the function XL. For example, XL A1C10 converts your table into a data frame, a powerful version of Excel tables. Let's find the average sales using pandas. Store your data with MyData, XL A1 headers equals true. Then MyData salesamount.mean gives you the average. Now for advanced visualizations. We'll create a bar chart using matplotlib. Import it, load data, and summarize with regional sales equals salesdata.groupby, sum. Python in Excel empowers you with advanced analysis and stunning visualizations without installations. The barrier to data science is fading.